Welcome to the Tech Yorker Guides channel. In this video, we will discuss why the Wi-Fi is not working on your Windows 11 PC. The first issue is that the driver is not enabled on your Windows PC. Often problems with Windows services can also contribute to the Wi-Fi adapter not working on your PC. First of all, check if the airplane mode is active, because it cuts all the connections including Wi-Fi. Disable it and then reconnect to your Wi-Fi to check if the internet connectivity is restored on your PC. After that, you can try enabling the Wi-Fi adapter in the network connection window. Open the network connections window and then right click on the Wi-Fi adapter. If it is set to in disabled, you will see an enable option. Just right click on it to enable the driver and then close the network connections window afterwards. Now open a browser and check if you can connect and open websites. After that, you can check the WLAN service, which is responsible for extending support for Wi-Fi connectivity on your Windows PC. Launch the services tool using the start menu and then find the WLAN config service in the list. It will be located at the bottom. Right click on it and then you must restart the service. Select the restart option and then wait for the service to close and relaunch automatically. You will notice that the Wi-Fi connection is disconnected when you attempt the restart, and you might have to manually reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. If this method is unable to fix your problem, then close the services window and move on to the next step. Outdated Wi-Fi drivers can pose problems with your network connections, so you can update them using the device manager. Find the network adapter under the network adapter settings and right click on it. Select the update driver option. Search automatically for drivers and download and install them. After that, close the device manager window. The next thing that you can try is running the inbuilt network internet connection troubleshooter. Windows has a modified troubleshooter page that comes with troubleshooting for most common Windows tools such as audio, network, and printers. Click on the Run button next to the network and internet connection window, and then you will see that there are multiple recommendations that you can try. Click on the Restart the Wi-Fi network adapter and then click on the Restart adapter button. It will close and auto restart the network adapter on your PC. Similarly, you can follow all the options mentioned below to troubleshoot the network connection on your PC. Once you do that, close the Get Help window and then move on to the next step. The last option is to reset the network connections. Keep in mind that this will delete all the network that you were previously connected to, including the usernames and password, and you will have to manually re-enter and reconfigure everything. So use this step as a last resort when everything other fails to fix your problem. Click on the Reset Now button and then it will ask you to restart your PC to apply the changes. After that, re-enter the username and password of the Wi-Fi connection you want to connect to and check if the network connection is restored. That's all for this video, guys. Do like and share this video with other Windows users who might find it helpful. Consider subscribing to the Tech Yorker Guides channel and also visit our website techyorker.com for more such helpful Windows guides.